Hello friend, I am fine and I know that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is the hare and the lion. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, once a lion lived in a jungle. He hunted victims without mercy. As the lion was getting old, he began to look for easier prey. The animal of the jungle could no longer bear this threat to their lives. They called a meeting to decide to save their life from the lion. The hare suggested that they should offer themselves in turn to the lion for turn. We should draw lots. It was decided to send the hare to the lion to tell the plan. The lion agreed at once. The next morning, the hare told the other animal that he would first go to the lion. But the hare did not go to the lion. He quietly slipped back to his burrow by midway. The lion was very hungry. He began to roar. Hearing this, the hare came out of his burrow, went to a tree which overlooked a well and climbed it. From there, he called out as there was another lion who had stolen his dinner. Now from there was in that well. On hearing this, the lion reached the well and glared fiercely into it. He saw another lion in the well. He shouted at the rival and jumped into the well for fight, but drowned with a fine trick. The hare outwitted the lion and saved the animals and himself. So dear friend, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So dear friend, bye. We will meet in the next video.